Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to come on here and do a cooking video simply because for the next 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks I am out of commission as far as getting out, going camping, all the fun stuff. I had a few doctor's appointments, and right now I am wearing a Zio. For some of you guys probably already know what this is, to monitor my heart for the next 2 weeks. And then as me having a cyst on my Achilles. I already had ruptured Achilles from running and stuff like that with the military, but I'm gonna be out of commission, depending on if they have to do surgery to remove it. The doctor, she do think that is a cyst, so we're gonna roll with that. And they have not did anything like a biopsy or anything to figure out whether it was otherwise, but they did do some x-rays. Your girl's just gonna be out of commission, but I'm still gonna try to get outdoors as much as possible. With this thing on, I can't sweat for the first 24 hours. I guess it has to adhere to my skin. And then, like, if I take a shower, I gotta put like a plastic bag over me, and probably just tape it or whatever so that it doesn't get wet, so that I can get these readings and find out what's going on with me. But I'm not sad, because I'd rather have my health taken care of before I get out and something happens to me. But anyway, I got my camp kitchen box out here, and I'm gonna just cook a simple tomatoes, shrimp, and rice, because that's what I'm craving. I'm a country girl, so we eat stuff like that down here. But don't let me jabber. I'm gonna get ready to get started on this meal. And yeah, wish you the best of luck, and just hopefully I'll be back out there soon. While I'm setting up, I'm going to take this time to talk to you guys for a little bit. This Zio is put in place to monitor my heart rhythm for the next 2 weeks. However, I'm not going to let that stop me from getting outside. You guys will see me upload some videos, whether it's cooking or just doing something outside of nature. I am not gonna sit around the house and just be stagnant just because I have an issue. This does not mean just to sit around and mope and, oh, poor me. It's really nothing. As far as me wearing this, the proof will be in the report, and I'll definitely share my results with you guys. My apologies that the camera's not in view, but I'm just cutting up an onion. Just added some Reynolds wrap because It's a wrap for you, baby. I'm just using some good old commissary tomatoes, Freedom's Choice brand. And I know a lot of people don't like the commissary brand, but hey, I like it. It tastes as good as any other, I believe. And it's cheaper. Shake the life out of this garlic, salt, and pepper. I believe we got more while we're at the beach, so note to self, make sure your containers are always closed and sealed up. I'm only going to add 3/4 of this can because this cast iron is not that big. I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit more. I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, and I'm quite sure I did, but I'm doing this in my backyard, and I backed my truck up closest to my patio because that's where the most shade was. Camera, I had to add a little bit more seasonings. You know how we do it down south. We gotta have this thing tasteful. Poppin'. I thought I needed to give you guys a better view of this stewed tomatoes, onions, and shrimp. If only we had smell-o-vision. I really do believe that I know in my heart if I would have put some cornstarch or some flour to make my gravy a little thicker, this would have tasted so much better. But however, being health conscious and knowing that the rice is already starchy, nah, I'm gonna leave it as is. See how this tastes. It's not my mama's tomatoes and rice, or my granny's, or my grandma's, or my grand's. None of them. They all make it differently, but they all taste better than mine. But this is not bad though. Anyway, I'll pick you guys up in a few minutes. Let me enjoy my meal. Before I go, I just want to tell you guys, take care of your health. Make sure that you are eating correctly, which for the most part I do. Make sure you're getting some exercise in. You're walking, even if you start off with 10 minutes a day. Walking is very good for your heart health, and help prevent strokes. But start off with 10 minutes a day and move your way up. I try to do at least 30 minutes a day. I'm trying to do 2 30-minute sessions a day. But and that was before I found out, that I would have to wear this little thingy or whatever. But again, it's called the Zio Xt patch. And what this patch is doing is recording my every heartbeat. And once my physician gets it, she'll read it and she'll take a course of action from there if there is one that will be needed. So wish your girl the best of luck, pray, or whatever you do that's positive. But until next time, keep on trucking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure. I'll holla.